Hey y'all, welcome back. Look at my beautiful client. She's getting her deep steam conditioning right now, getting ready for her traditional sew-in. She wants to keep this sew-in as natural as possible, so she's not putting any heat on her leave out whatsoever. So right now I'm just going to braid her up. You guys can watch that. Now for all my clients, I always do a hot oil treatment. So I base the scalp after braiding with good oil treatment. And then I do what my clients love the most, which is a hot steam towel to open up the pores and get the oils all in there. And it helps with growth and everything. Yeah, she made my job easy today. Now go slay.